Alright guys, welcome back to Unbox and Chill. We do have another unboxing today. Thanks for tuning in. Taking place right here, once again at my desk studio here. We have an unboxing. This is a watch that I received from watchgang.com. It's a tier 3 wheel spin watch that I got. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to see what it entails. We're going to look up the specs. We're going to go to the website. We're going to do all the things we normally do. But I just also want to say at the top of the video, we just reached, I think, 153 subscribers. So, we're growing very, very slowly but surely here. Thank you to everyone who hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't hit it yet, please do me a favor, bang that subscribe button. We are growing slowly but surely. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then we're going to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, and then once we reach 1,000, we'll do a larger giveaway, okay? So we'll do a smaller and then a larger giveaway. Let's see here. I do also want to say, at the top of the video, we'll do a wristwatch check. I don't want to forget here. I'm wearing the Audaz Sea Ranger, okay? So this is just a, essentially just a, a Rolex Submariner homage, like many of them out there. But this one has a Seiko NH35 movement. I actually did do an unboxing of this particular watch. Well, actually, it wasn't an unboxing because when I bought it, it didn't even come in a box. The person sent it to me. It was just in the plastic. But I will go ahead and include the link to this in the description box below, just in case you want to check that out, okay? I hope that everyone is being safe right now with all of the craziness going on. Please wash your hands and stay home, basically. That seems like the best way to kind of go about this, guys. All right, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and check this out. So I'll put my phone here, as we're going to pull up the site in a second. So this is what we got here. So this is a Blacklist. It's a Blacklist watch. And I will say the box, I mean, for the price point, the box is very nice. Looks like it's got some padding here, and then you can see the B and the L for Blacklist, so not too bad of a logo. The thing too is that it was kind of weird to me is that this doesn't close exactly flush like it normally would, so it has that little lip of white out there. That's clearly by design, so it's a little bit of a design element. And then we've got the logo there, Blacklist. So I like it. It's not too bad, not too bad at all. Let's pop her open here. We've got the warranty card, of course. So we've got the warranty. They're just letting you know here, I guess, what that entails on the back here. Nothing else really, nothing else at the top. And we'll get to the watch, if I can get it out there. So like I said, in terms of box, for the price point, this is not a bad presentation. And then here's what we got here. So this is the Streetmatic Chronograph. And then this is in the color here. The red color is actually, they call it, I believe, Rosso Corsa. So, Rosso Corsa here. Now, if you remember, this is actually the third Blacklist watch on the channel here, okay? We did unbox another Streetmatic that was not a chronograph. We did 2 Streetmatics before this one. So, this is the third Streetmatic here. One was in green. It was a quartz movement. There was another red Rosso Corsa one that was a automatic Seiko NH35 movement, same as in this, same movement as in this Audaz on my wrist here. And then this one here has a quartz movement. I'm not entirely sure which quartz movement. We'll look that up on the website. I'm going to say it's probably a Mecha Quartz or something like that. It's probably a Mecha Quartz movement. Just because when you do the chronograph feature, we'll do that now. Oh, okay, there we go. It has that nice click to it, but then also it has a smooth glide. And I noticed that usually that's a Mecha Quartz that usually acts that way, so we'll put that back. But yeah, that's the chronograph feature there. So as you see, you've got the chronograph. This is the band. Like I said, at this price point, it's not too bad. It's just kind of a regular band. It's not too chintzy. I mean, it just kind of is what it is. It's just kind of standard here, regular clasp here. I mean, this for this price point, I think this is just over $200. It's not. I mean, this isn't any. We're not expecting anything too insane or crazy here. So, but as you can see, as we bring it in for some detail, you've got that. You can see the red. You've got the red around the chapter ring there. You've got the red hand there for the chronograph. Let's see, you've got red dials on the sub dials. You've got a red hand, and then you've got the black. You see, we've got the black around there. So it does have a nice black and red theme going on here. White hands. Like I said, overall, I don't think it's a bad looking piece. I mean, keep in mind, as we look at the back here, it is just a quartz watch. So there's no movement to look at there. So let's see it on the wrist, okay? As I pop off the Audaz. So we'll pop off the Audaz. I'll go off camera here for 1 second. Bear with me. Yeah, we'll pop off the Audaz and we'll try on the Blacklist here, okay? Let's see here, and this is kind of a very accessible piece in terms of cost. This particular Blacklist. So, all right, so we are snapped up here. So we've got the B, the Blacklist, the little B with the L in it, the Blacklist B on the back, and then in terms of the front here. Like I said, it's not a bad looking piece. I think it's something you can wear with a lot of different things. So you can see there, you got the 12 and the 6, Blacklist chronograph. Very nice, very sharp piece that is pretty cheap and I think kind of flies under the radar, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at their website, guys. So this is, let's see here, let's pull this up. All right, so we've got the Blacklist website here. So these are all the colors it comes in. So you got a black, you got also you've got the just a regular stainless color. You can get them in either black or stainless, and then a bunch of different dial colors. So they do have that green. You've got the red here. That's the one that we have. You've got the blue and black. I mean, it comes in a pretty large swath of colors here. Let's go in. Let's look at this. So as you can see, that's Rosso Corsa. I mean, I don't know why I rolled that. You're probably not supposed to, but it's Rosso Corsa. Let's see here. Movement is Mecha Quartz, just as I said. I figured that. Let's see here. So you've got in terms of we've got lume on the hands. There's your dial size. There's your there's your dial. There's your dial materials. There's your case size. So as you can see, it's not a super huge case size. So that's accessible for a large swath of people. Keep in mind I'm pretty large here, but at the same time, this is not. This is going to be a size that's accessible to a lot of different people. It's not going to be too big. It's not it's not a 50 millimeter Aragon Invicta situation, but it's also not like a 39 millimeter watch, where if you're a larger guy like me, you kind of feel weird about wearing such a tiny piece, even though I do have some 40 millimeter, 39, 40 millimeter watches, but sometimes you're a little self-conscious, even though you shouldn't be. But no, like I said, guys, this is a nice piece. I really do like it. I do like the colors. I have to decide in terms of whether or not I will actually hold on to this one, because I may end up deciding to sell it or something like that. But overall, it really isn't a bad piece, guys. Like I said, box is nice. The overall piece, the fit and finish and everything is not bad at all. Let me see. Let me take this off here. If I can get this. There we go. All right, let's throw that back in the box. But I do appreciate you guys so much for stopping in. Like I said, please stay safe out there. Wash your hands. Stay home. Watch some videos. Browse my channel. Got plenty of videos here for you to watch. I'm trying to get on a schedule here is what I'm trying to do. I've been saying that for a little bit, but I do want to get on a schedule where I can put videos out on Tuesdays and Thursdays is what I would really like to do. Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today's Thursday. This one's going to come out today. And then I'm going to spend the rest of the day. As you can see, I've got my Mountain Dew. I'm going to shoot some more videos here in an attempt to kind of build up and have some ready to go. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. We get to 500. We're going to do a giveaway. We get to 1,000. I want to do something big. I want to do a little bit bigger giveaway, but also at the same time, I really want to kind of invite you guys in a little bit more. Maybe we get to 1,000 subscribers. I would love to show you guys my watch box, my full watch box, all of the watches that I own. you know, I'd like to share that with you guys. Maybe that's something we can put together as we get to 1,000 subscribers here. So thank you so much for stopping in. Hit all the buttons. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the Blacklist here. I think it's a great piece for the price especially. Let me know. Thank you so much, guys.